Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we delve into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, specifically focusing on the 3 best free image converter AI tools. We'll compare their features, weigh their pros and cons, and help you decide which one suits your needs the best. First up, we have the Convertio. This tool is a powerhouse in the realm of image conversion. Convertio supports an impressive range of image formats, from the common JPEG and PNG to the more obscure ones like SVG and ICO. Its versatility is undeniably one of its strongest features. However, it's not just about quantity. Convertio also maintains a high-quality standard for all its conversions, ensuring your images don't lose their charm in the process. The only downside, it requires an internet connection to function, which might be a stumbling block for those who prefer offline tools. Moving on, we encounter Online Convert. This AI tool is another worthy contender in the image conversion arena. It comes with a user-friendly interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. It also offers a batch conversion feature, a lifesaver for those with a multitude of images to convert. The cherry on top? It includes a few basic editing tools allowing you to make minor adjustments before conversion. The only caveat here is the time it takes for the conversion process, which can be a bit on the longer side, especially for larger files. Last but not least, we have Zamza. It may not have as broad a range of supported formats as Convertio or the editing tools of Online Convert, but it does have a trick up its sleeve. Zamza offers an email notification feature. Once your conversion is complete, you receive an email with a download link. It's a handy feature for those who don't want to wait around while their images convert. However, the free version of Zamza does have a limit on the number of conversions you can perform in a day, which might be a deal breaker for some. So there you have it, the 3 best free image converter AI tools. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, its unique features and quirks. Convertio impresses with its wide format support and high-quality conversions. Online Convert is a user-friendly tool with the bonus of batch conversion and some editing capabilities. Zamza keeps you informed with its email notification system, making it a convenient option. Remember, the best tool is the one that fits your needs and preferences. So, consider your requirements, weigh the pros and cons, and make an informed choice. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Let's aim for 30 likes. Your support fuels our enthusiasm to explore more tech topics and bring you the best content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.